In this tutorial, we are going to discuss how to draw the given part modeling in Creo Parametric software. First, open New Part Modeling window. Click on New and choose Part Type, and then give the name here FIG 2035. Then remove this checkbox. Then click on OK. The given part modeling having all dimensions are in millimeters. That's why I am choosing MMNS part solid. Then click on OK. Now the part modeling file is open like this. First you need to construct the base model. This length is 32 mm, width is 56 mm, and thickness is 8 mm. Now I am choosing top plane and choose extrude option, and to change the view, so that's why I'm choosing sketch view. Now the isometric planes are converted to orthographic planes. With the help of center rectangle, first I need to construct one center rectangle here, then exit from that tool with the help of mouse middle button. Now edit the dimension, double click on this dimension. This width is 56, 56, enter. This length is 32, double click on this dimension, enter the actual value 32, enter. Now click on OK. This base thickness is 8 mm. You can type here 8, enter, then click on OK. After this, you can see here, after this you need to construct these two pillars at this rectangle diagonal corners. So I am selecting this surface, top surface, and choose and select extrude option, and again choose this sketch view option. Okay, before constructing these two rectangles, first you need to create the draw the reference lines by using this references option. Choose reference option, select these four edges: first edge, second edge, third edge, fourth edge. Then close this window. After this, you need to construct one rectangle here, then draw one more rectangle to opposite corner. So I am choosing corner rectangle. From this corner I need to construct one rectangle like this. Similarly, draw one more rectangle at top right corner. Just move the cursor. You can carefully observe here. When it's showing two equal symbol, that means previous rectangle dimensions are equal to this second rectangle. Just click here. Now exit from this window with the help of mouse middle button, then edit the dimension. This width is 8 mm. You can see here 8 mm. Double click on this dimension. This width is 8 mm, enter. Then this length is 16 mm, 16, enter. When you edit these two dimensions, automatically second rectangle dimensions will be modified. Then click on OK. Now you can give this height, that means 20 minus base 8. So that pillar height is 20 minus 8, that equal 12 mm. Then click on OK. 12, enter. Then click on OK. After this part modeling having at a center one hollow portion is there. You need to remove that square shape at the middle of that part. So that's why I'm selecting this top surface. Choose extrude option, then select sketch view. I am choosing center rectangle. From this center point, draw one center rectangle here. Now exit from this tool, just click mouse middle button, edit the dimension. This width is 16 mm. You can edit this dimension. This is 16, enter. Here the length is 12 mm. This length is 12, enter. Okay, now click on OK. You can change the orientation. Just click on this arrow mark. Automatically that portion will be removed from the existing model. Then click on OK. Go to the view and choose standard orientation. You can see it. This is the final part modeling in Creo software. This is the way to you can construct any type of part modeling in Creo Parametric software. I hope you enjoyed a lot in this session. You can also apply the colors, or you can also apply the metals to this model. Just choose this figure name, figure 20.235. Go to this appearance and select the and you can apply the your required metal to particular part model. For example, I want to apply this brass. Just choose brass. This is the way to you can apply the metals to selected part modeling in Creo Parametric software. Okay, I hope you enjoyed a lot in session. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.